Guys, it's Green Bay Wacky. I'm going to teach you how to be a great YouTuber in the live streams. Guys, this video, if you're an old timer, I know it's 14 minutes. You cannot skip any of this. If you skip it, you're going to miss my points. I have points that last for anywhere from 3 to 5 seconds. The goal, if you're a new YouTuber, you have to watch this all the way through. You have to learn how to interact in the live stream. I'm going to teach you how to light people up in red and get noticed, but way beyond that. Give me a break. You think I do this for 14 minutes for just that? Now, you notice I just lit the $sign up there? Look, if you want to super chat the person in the stream, give them a donation, $1 and above. You can do that to get noticed with a message. You might get noticed, but you know what? It doesn't mean that you're going to get noticed. I mean, everyone thinks that if I do a super chat, I'm noticed for the whole stream. Guys, it's about working the stream while you're in the stream. I can even teach old dogs new tricks. Now look at what I'm doing on the bottom there. Look how I have the @ I started typing Green Bay Wacky. YouTube suggested after the first 2 letters. I have to do this in real time, guys. I cannot even keep up talking with what I'm going to show you here. You have to watch this whole video to see it. Now, this is the biggest mistake that people make right off. Biggest mistake. I see it all the time. You go into a chat, you see your friends, you start talking to them. Guys, you always deliver the first message, if not 2. I like to do 2 to the host. I see this missed all the time. How disrespectful is that? I've come into your house, but you, the host, are not important enough to talk to first. Big blown opportunity, guys. Look at what I said. I entered the chat and I said, howdy, how are you? A lot of great people in there. That would be a typical opening. 2 messages to the host before you do anything. Guys, trust me, it goes a long way. Now, it doesn't mean the host is going to see that message. It's not a guarantee they're going to respond to it. But a lot of them, even me, see them and I read them and it registers in my mind like, wow, that channel just said hi to me first. Guys, best thing you can do. Now, back to the bottom here. I'm going to teach you so much in this video, guys. I'm telling you, if you're an old timer, don't click off this because you're bored and you think you know it all. You may not, all right? Now, you see what I just typed there? I have message to myself. I'm talking, but I'm not answering, so I'm not crazy yet. That's the good part. This is a special chat for a video, LOL, in case anyone were to see it. Okay, back to this. You can type the whole channel name out, and it will light up in red. And I know that's a pain, because some people have long channel names. But if you're on a cell phone, for example, it's when you're on a laptop or a desktop, that kind of thing, YouTube will give you it in a box when you do the @ sign. But on a cell phone, right, I just had to do it twice there to show you Green Bay Wacky without the @ sign, Green Bay Wacky with. Now, this is the other big mistake people get confused on. The red is only showing to the person you're sending the message to, not to you. Nobody else in the chat sees the red. They'll see the Green Bay Wacky. They'll see the @ sign. It's only lighting up in red to the person you're sending it to. Now, what I'm doing down here is I'm doing a double message. @Green Bay Wacky, @Fish, @Trump. I'm just making up some random channel names as if they exist, which they don't. You can send a message to multiple people in red. That's what I do sometimes. I go into a busy chat. I'm not going to be able to say hi to everyone individually all at once, so sometimes I'll do 2 or 3 at a time. You can even do 5 at a time, 6 at a time. It's totally up to you. You're saying the same message, hello, howdy, how's it going, that kind of thing, to a bunch of people. Look at, I made up a channel called Umbrella there. Love my names, aren't they kind of catchy? Okay, now keep with me here. I promise you, there's a lot of good information I'm going to tell you here. It's not about just lighting people up in red. You think I could talk for 14 minutes about lighting someone up in red? Give me a break. Now that we know, we're saying hi to Umbrella there, howdy. We're saying hi to Green Bay Wacky. We're delivering messages to the host. Now, this would be typical conversation to have throughout the stream. Every minute, every 2, every 3, every 5, throw something to the host. Hey, Green Bay Wacky, I like that background. Every time you do this, you have a chance for the host to say, oh, thanks, and they'll call your channel out, all right, because they see your comment. But make sure, everyone is so obsessed with writing a paragraph. Do you think the host of the show always wants a paragraph? It's hard to read them sometimes. Now, don't get me wrong. We don't mind paragraph messages, but they don't all have to be that way. Mix it up a little bit. Kind of use your short ones with your long ones. You see how now, @Green Bay Wacky, I like that background, right? You said that to me, it's kind of short. Now, Umbrella, right? Now look at this, what's going on here. Watch what I'm gonna do here. I'm seeing a message in the chat. Umbrella is the one that lit me up in red, right? You see how I did the @GreenBayWacky, and it's Umbrella Channel. I just made that name up, Umbrella Channel. Umbrella Channel said to Green Bay Wacky, "You look styling tonight." I'm all over that. Look at that. I just lit up Umbrella Channel and answered their question, or I mean their comment. Umbrella, yes, he does. All I'm saying is he does look styling tonight. Now I got a chance to get noticed, not only by Green Bay Wacky, but by Umbrella Channel. You're following me on this, all right? That's what I'm talking about. But there's more to this, believe me. I still have many minutes to talk here. I have a lot more information to show you here. Here's another question. Let's say Green Bay Wacky just put a old car up on the screen. You saw it in the chat. Is that your car? Green Bay Wacky, right? I'm talking to the host throughout the stream, okay? You might be new to YouTube and you don't know this stuff, right? If you've been here a while, you might be bored and you might already be off this video. I hope you're still with me. Now, I'm going to make up some names here. Food Channel. I'm waiting to catch up to my typing there. All right. So, Green Bay Wacky, is that your car, right? Now, I'm talking to the Food Channel. Either way, it looks cool. Because let's say Food Channel just told me something, right? And I saw it. So you see what I'm getting at. Now I'm getting noticed by Food Channel. Now I'm getting noticed by Umbrella. Now I'm getting noticed by Green Bay Wacky. You see what's going on? Van Channel. How's it going today? Here's what you're going to say to people. Dog. Howdy. See this? Now I'm getting noticed by Food Channel, Umbrella Channel, Van Channel, Dog Channel, because I'm just saying hello, howdy, happy Monday, whatever it is. You see what's going on here? I am now in the chat getting noticed by lots of people, and I'm not going to get kicked out of this because I'm not being hateful, I'm not being anything but respectful, and I'm not clogging up the chat with paragraphs to every single channel. Now, I know a lot of us are friends, so don't take that the wrong way. If you're listening to this, I don't mind paragraph messages, but what I'm saying is you'll have better luck as a whole as you go to all the chats, right? Because everyone's different. Just little sentences gets people's attention. Start a conversation with a small comment. Start small. Again, how's it going? Howdy, happy Monday. Now, I just threw another message out to Green Bay Wacky. Hey, thanks for the video you made on green screen. It helped a lot. Because let's say that I watched a green screen video of Green Bay Wackies recently. Why not tell the host that? Now you're really getting them interested, me, because I'm like, wow, they watched my video because they're telling me what it was about. All right? You see what's going on here? I am getting noticed by a lot of channels. Now, look at the next thing I'm typing here for Green Bay Wacky. Remember, it's always the @ sign. But you're in a busy chat and you really need to get noticed a little more, okay? So, how's it going tonight? This is the biggest mistake I see people make all the time. You can type 200 characters. Why not light me up 3 times? Which one do you think I'm more likely to see there? Just take a look at the screen. Am I more likely to see Green Bay Wacky 3 times in red or 2 times in red? Great music, at least twice in a busy chat. I always light people up twice in a busy chat, at a minimum twice, if not 3 times. Now, let's say you really need to talk to the host. Now remember, the host doesn't always privately talk to people through messaging and that kind of thing. That depends on the channel, but let's assume, like me, that I'm willing to talk to people. Not so much in a Google Hangout, maybe a Twitter message, something like that. So I really need to get your attention because I really need to talk to you. You got a better shot at that host talking to you after the stream or the next day or something like that if you do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See that? I lit it up 5 times. And the message is, I really need your help. Is there somewhere to send a private message to you? When you say something like that, there's no drama, there's no disrespect, there's no nothing. You're simply saying, is there a way to get a hold of you privately? The host is not going to get mad at that. Now, they might respond, they might not, and if they don't get mad, okay? Because you can't expect, just because you lit it up 5 times in red and asked if they could talk to you privately, they're going to go, oh, sure, I'll talk to you on Twitter, no problem at all. They may not, but you got a better chance of connecting with that host by doing it that way. Never say this. This is the biggest no-no. I am live right now. Anyone wants to join? Never, never, never. You should be kicked out. I would kick you out of my stream for saying that. Never go into someone else's live stream trying to be clever and go, hey guys, I'm live right now, come on over, and then you leave the stream like, ooh, I made it in, I made it out, now I'll get some people to come to my live. Absolutely the worst disrespect you can do to a live stream. Absolutely worst. And don't play games with it. My friend's live right now. Go over to Chunky Cheese channel, all right? Don't do it. Big, big no-no. Never say this. Bob's channel blocked me today. Never, ever in any chat talk about what happened on another channel like that. Do not do it. I don't care if it's on your heart and you're fuming about it. It's total drama. It totally sucks. Never do it. You're going to get blocked and get out of there. Never talk like that, okay? Never, never say that. I'm live right now. Never, never, never say another channel blocked you openly and publicly in someone's live stream. Never say anything bad at all about another channel at all. Nothing. I don't care if you're enemies. I don't care. Put it to the side when you're in there. All right? Do not have a private or a conversation in the chat bashing each other and yelling at each other. Never. Never. Unless you're actually friends with the channel you're on and they're cool with it. I just uploaded a new video today. Go check it out. And when I say you're friends with the channel, I'm talking personal friends. A lot of people get that confused. I don't mean this in a bad way. Just because you go to a channel all the time does not make you a personal friend with the owner of the channel. A lot of people come through the stream that I'm not personal friends with, okay? I would not want them to say I just uploaded a new video today. Go check it out, all right? Never, never do that, okay? Never say anything about race, religion, color, anything bashful or hateful. Never, never, never say sub me, please. Never say, can I get some supporters? Guys, I don't care if you're used to doing it, even if it's worked and gotten you a few. Here's what you're saying. I don't want to do any work. I don't want to talk to anyone. I just popped on in here and I just put up a little sign that said sub me, sub me, sub me. And please come over and sub me. Thank you. I appreciate the support. Now I'm going to leave. I appreciate all those new subs. That's what you're saying. That's what you're saying. You are saying, I'm not willing to put the work in to get to know you, but please come over and support me and follow me. Guys, never, never do it. Another one. Never say, I subbed you, can you sub me back? Don't ask for support back. Happens all the time. Oh my goodness. Never say, I supported you, can you sub back? Can you support back? I followed you, can you follow back? Doesn't matter what you call it, it's all the same message. You're trying to put the pressure on a person. You think, well, I subbed you, I followed you, I supported you, now return the favor. Guys, never ask for it back. You want to give it, you never add. So please follow me back, please support me back, please sub me back. Never, never, never. You get the idea. This is basic training 101, but there's a little bit more. By the way, when you go into everyone's live stream, I do suggest tweeting it out. Tweeting it out with that share link for everyone that you go into. If anyone made it through this video, tell me that you made it to the message about tweeting. All right? If you put in the comment of this video, yeah, I never thought of that. I should share every live stream I'm in. That means you watched my whole video. So I'm going to see how many people in this video that's 14 minutes long will actually comment on the fact that I said Twitter it. Now, there's a little more I'm showing you here. Here's what we're doing now. Talk to people. Here's the things you say to people. How's your day? What you up to? How's the dog? How's the cat? How's the boat? How's the weather in China? You get it. Basically, you're saying short little sentences to people. You do this live stream after live stream, you will become a master. You will get much more support by being respectful and thinking about, guys, you know how many people don't think about what they say before they hit type? Oh my goodness. When you're getting ready to type to a person, think about what you're going to say to them. It doesn't always have to be a paragraph. I want you guys to grow. That's what Green Bay Wacky is all about. Grow your channel, and I'm not going to give you false information, even if it takes 14 minutes to give you that information. All right, I love you guys. Go get some followers, and remember, in those live streams, be respectful, and don't jump on the bandwagon if you're in a live stream where people are bashing or bullying or something like that, remember, leave it. Don't jump on the bandwagon and start joining in because you want to blend like the chameleon. That is a big no-no. People lurk live streams. Remember that, guys. That's another thing. Make a comment about lurking. Oh, I am a lurker. So you got the Twitter thing and the lurking thing. That's how I'll know how many people actually watched this video in the comments. But remember, people always make the mistake of assuming that the reason I mention the lurking is when you're in a live stream and you're typing, if someone's watching from afar and they see you being hateful or bullying or bashing, and they look at that and they say, oh my goodness, I did not know that channel was capable of that. Guys, you're under the microscope. We're on YouTube. People screenshot, people record screens. Guys, everybody's watching. Everybody's watching. Don't feel when you're in a live stream and you want to be hateful or mean that you can do it because nobody's watching. Everybody's watching. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this and I taught you something. Have a great day, guys. Make it a good one. I want to lift you up and get you started this week to get more followers.